Hello, this is Ajit, and today's video will play the particle system inside the Blender 2.82. So open the Blender and delete this default cube or make it inside for a few minutes, okay? But for now I'm going to delete this light because we do not need this. So I'm making this cube inside for a few minutes, okay? And I'm going to insert a mass as icosphere. Also do subdivisions because I want it look like in a smooth ball kind of shape. Okay, so select now and decrease the size if you want. And now I'm going to simply click on the particle tab here, add a new particle and leave it as the default value here for the number of the particles. But for now I'm going to set the frames here, so I'm going with 100 frames from start 1 to end up with 100, and also the particle here, so I will start the particle from the frame 1 and end up to 50 frame, okay? And the lifetime is also I'm leaving as a default value for 50, okay? Now I'm going to here field weight and the gravity, because when you will play this video now the all particle is going all the way down, so I'm leaving the I'm making the gravity 0 here, so it will behave like there is no gravitation force, something like this, okay? And the other thing is simply because I do not want this sphere size here, or I do not want to connect these particles with the same ball or same icosphere ball. So now I will use that default cube here where it is. Oh, that is far from here. Okay, select that cube and go to the material, okay? Add is already material there, diffuse material, and the principal BSDF, as you can see here. Now choose here emitter or emission, okay? Is emitting kind of thing, so light kind of thing, okay? Lighting, emitting. So give that for that box, give the emission, and give here some blue or some red kind of color, which is looking like sci-fi color, okay? And give the strength here about 10, 20, I don't know, 30, 50, oh 50, I will go with 50, okay? And now when you'll go to make settings here for the rendering, select the EV engine, and also this is important, click this bloom is like the glow effect. It will create a glow effect around your cube here when it will emitting. And also go to the render settings, go to the render settings here, scene, and go to the film, not film, for now go to the world settings and change the background up to all the way black and go to the render here, okay? So now your cube is emitting and it is giving some nice the sci-fi effect from there, right? And now I'm using this cube for these particles here. How? So select this sphere first of all, this icosphere ball, and go to the particles and go to the render settings here. Select render as object, okay? And now from object you have to select as a cube. As you can see, this the cube object is almost selected here. And now here you can also decrease the size of the cube because the particles are looking more bigger, and the feelings is coming that the cubes are the particles here. So I'm going to decrease the size 0.02 up to like something like that, okay? So now that's great. And I'm going to hit this cube again and going to material settings. I will increase the glow effect up to 100, so these small cubes will emitting some with more strength, okay? And now when you will play this video, it will give something nice and cool effect, like fireworks is going on happening there. Okay, so I love that. But you can also change the color. Go this box here and go to the material and change here to up to red, and whatever color you want you can change from here. Okay, or of course if you want you can also you can also keyframe it. Okay, insert the keyframe from the first frame, insert the keyframe here. Okay, from green value, and change for 20, change the red. Okay, yellow, you can also change yellow. Hit I to insert a keyframe here, and also go to the 40 frame, and also you can change here color red. Go to the 60 sorry, 40 we haven't changed, we haven't inserted any keyframe here. So insert the keyframe here, and now go to the 60 frame and change the color this one. That's great. And also do the keyframe, insert the keyframe here, go to the 80 frame, 80, and make it some blue effect. Okay, and go to the 100, sorry, 80 frame. I forgot to insert the key there, and insert, sorry. It's okay, insert the key here. So as you can see, the materials, I forgot, yeah, the particles are behaving like different colors, and every keyframes they are changing the colors. So you can do this cool effect using the particle systems here. Okay, I hope you got something new, but always remember this thing will look great inside only the EV engine. Okay, don't change to cycles, because now it will look very weird and nothing cool there. Okay, so always remember you can make this effect nice only in EV engine. Okay, and you can also render whole footage if you want in PNG, or if you want in video format, then you can render this in whole thing from the EV engine. Okay, and then it will look very nice. Okay, I hope you got something new from here, and this was a basic particle systems basic particle systems info from the Blender 2.8. Thank you for watching this video.